Mysterious solar system. Solar system, you are mysterious always. But mysterious, if I am going to a castle, castle, it also called in Urdu killa, that is the fort that is built by some king, and I don't know how to enter it. I went to a castle or fort that is old, and I don't know how to enter it. How I can enter it? Okay, then I need to have a key of the main lock. If I get the key, if I get the key, then only I can enter it. How I can get the key? Okay, now I have to think that that king made the lock, and what was his mentality. If I understand the what was his mentality, then I can understand what is the type of lock he would have put. Probably lock is not outside, inside. So you cannot see anything. But if you see the fort, if you match your brain with the mentality of the king, then you can understand what kind of lock he would have made. Then get the key and open it. Then anyway you know where things are because you know his mentality. What is the mentality? What is the secret of universe? That is under question. What is the secret of universe? What is the secret of solar system? Okay, we will talk little bit about the secret, but solar system is in two parts. One is inner solar system, one is outer solar system. Inner solar system, outer solar system. Inner solar system, Earth is considered as the main planet. That is Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. It is called inner solar system. Outer solar system that begins from Jupiter and Saturn is considered as the main planet in the outer solar system. Inner solar system, outer solar system. Now someone can consider when solar system was made, then there were two planets, not one planet, two planets. One was Earth that was near to Sun, and what was Saturn that was far away from the Sun. And now from Earth there were three planets came into the picture, and one is Mercury, Venus, and Mars later. All belongs to inner solar system. From from the Saturn, Jupiter, Uranus, Neptune, Pluto, and many other things came. How you can say this is two different part of solar system? Because the Mars, if I consider one astronautical unit, that is distance between Sun and Earth, that is the distance between Sun and Earth, one astronautical unit, then distance between Sun and Mars is little more than 1.5 astronautical unit, whereas distance between Sun and Jupiter is around 6 astronautical unit. Means it is very far, very far. Distance of Sun and Pluto is, I believe, 39 astronautical unit. With 4 5 planets there, it becomes 6 astronautical unit to 39 astronautical unit. Here, 4 planets, it comes to 1.5 astronautical unit. Means all are together with the Sun. They all are together with the Saturn. There are two parts in solar system. How it was designed? I don't know how it was designed by the God. But let's consider from the Earth perspective. Probably that would be easy to understand. From Earth perspective, if someone has made the Earth, then certainly it would have thought about its security. Because beyond the Pluto, then other solar systems are there, and those planets are called, I believe, exoplanets. Exoplanet. The planet belongs to other star are called exoplanet. There are also planets in the universe. They don't belong to any star. They are called untethered planets. They are not tethered to any star. Those are also available. I won't say orphan because they looks like very master kind of planet. Anyway, if that is the situation, then anyone can come near sun. Sun is the most prettiest thing in the universe. I'm not saying this. If you read Gita, that was King Krishna. King Krishna, he talks in Gita, sun is the entity which kind of enlightens the universe. But if you see the today world, then there are many stars. They are much, much more powerful than sun. Their size is thousand times or millions times bigger than sun. Volume I am talking. Means they are much more in glow than sun. But as far King Krishna is saying that sun, it glorifies, it lightens the universe. In that case, in that case, any planet is tend to hit the sun. It will try to come near the sun. If it tries to come near the sun, there is a high chance it will come in the atmosphere in the gravitational pull of the earth. If it comes in the gravitational pull of the earth, life is only on the earth. Life has not been found on any of the planets. If that is the case, then in a moment everything will go away. Go away. If that is the case, then someone who made the solar system, he thought about it. And in that case, he made two solar systems. One is inner solar system, one is outer solar system. Now, outer solar system and in between inner solar system, outer solar system, there are many stones. They are revolving the sun. Many stones. Some are very big also. So small one is called meteorite, and bigger one is called asteroid. Asteroid. So that is called asteroid belt. That is between Mars and Jupiter. That is dividing the inner solar system to outer solar system. Many big rocks. Some are bigger than I believe moon or something like that. Very big also. There are asteroid. A smaller one is called meteorite. Okay, they keep revolving around the sun. There are high chance. There is a high chance that if someone is coming from outer space, then they will hit one of the asteroid or they will be attracted by one of the asteroid or meteorite. There only. This is a cushion. So if anything coming from outer world, then it will come and it will hit one of them. Not hit me, they will attract it. And it will come, it will not come in Earth system. But still, some come. But whoever is coming, they are very small. If it is big, then it will certainly it will hit one because they are million billions in number. Asteroid belt, they are revolving the sun. Certainly it will hit them. Certainly. If it is very small, then only it will pass that belt. And if it comes in earth, then it will burn in the earth atmosphere. If it does not burn, then we have seen some stone falling somewhere on the earth. Anyway, what is the idea? This is the idea of asteroid belt. What is the idea of Saturn? Now Saturn, if someone designing it, then Saturn must be very powerful. Saturn should be very powerful in the sense it should be able to kind of create a high energy so that it can attract something that is coming from the outer space there only, not reaching the asteroid belt also. That is the power of Saturn. So Saturn to be more powerful, this is what we have discussed. Saturn cannot be a stone. Saturn cannot be a melted core planet the way iron Earth is. Saturn is a gas planet, that is hydrogen plus helium. If it is a gas planet, then it is very powerful in the sense, and it is big and very powerful. Now, when Saturn came, other planets came. They are called children of the Saturn, like Jupiter, the most powerful in the external solar system. Jupiter. Jupiter is very powerful and its gravitational pull is also very high. And it is very beautiful also. And full the helium and hydrogen gas is there and they keep rotating. Means it looks a patch, a ring patch of orange color and white color. It is immensely beautiful. Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, all are gas planets only. These two are frozen. The Uranus and Neptune, they have methane also and they are frozen. And then Pluto, it is also frozen. Okay, so that is the design of the solar system. The outer solar system is kept powerful, where everyone is gas planet except the Pluto. Now, not only that, beyond the Neptune, there is a Kuiper belt. Kuiper belt. Now, Kuiper belt has asteroid, Kuiper belt has meteorite, and like the meteorite belt between Mars and Jupiter, it also has meteorite, it also has asteroid, and it has comets. Comet are the heavenly body which is made up of ice or something like that and which has gas, and they rotate around the sun. The most famous comet is Halley comet. I believe 88 year or something or more than that it takes to rotate around the sun, and that is a elliptical path and non-centric to the earth sun. It has very typical path, the Halley planet, Halley comet. So that layer beyond the Neptune, that layer is called Kuiper belt. In Kuiper belt, Pluto comes, Halley comet comes. Tons of asteroid and meteorite and comets are there. Comet they revolve around the sun. Okay, so that is the scenario. Now anything that is coming from other area beyond the solar system, exoplanet or whatever, there is a high chance that first it will get hit or attracted in the Kuiper belt only. If for God's sake, if it passes through, then one of them, Neptune, Uranus, and then you see the growing nature. Uranus, Neptune. Neptune is smaller. Uranus is bigger. Then bigger is Saturn, and very big, big, very powerful is the Uranus. So that by powerful is Jupiter. So by reaching Jupiter, there is very less chance that it will come to the asteroid belt. If it is very big, then certainly Jupiter will attract it, guaranteed. Okay, if it is small, then only it will pass the asteroid belt. There, it will be scanned there only. If it is reaching again, then it will be very small. It will not do much harm if it comes to. This is the design of solar system as far as if I see from the Earth perspective. Okay, this is not the end. This we talked about Kuiper belt and external solar system which are gas planets and very powerful. We also saw that these, if I see from outside, from Pluto onward, then they are increasing in the size. Pluto, Neptune, Uranus, Saturn, Jupiter. They are growing in the size, growing in the power. Saturn has a ring. In the side, the ring, again, millions of heaven, stone and satellite, they are revolving. You cannot cross that ring also. Means, this is how it is made. But by the time you reach Jupiter, that is very powerful. Certainly, it will attract it. Then you cross the meteorite belt, asteroid belt, then only you can come to the Earth. This is the science of the internal solar system and external solar system. What are the other sciences? Okay, so in Indian mythology, this is called Antariksh Lok. There is one called Prithvi Lok. Prithvi Lok. Okay, Patal Lok, Prithvi Lok, Antariksh Lok. These falls in Antariksh Lok. Antariksh Lok means space, celestial, what I can say, Lok in the celestial world. One is Prithvi Lok. Prithvi Lok means wherever I am standing. One is called Patal Lok, Netherland. Netherland. Patal Lok means ocean world, water world. Patal Lok. Okay, and this is land low, land area, land world, and then sky world. So sky world has different architecture, different living living standard. Okay, on the earth lobe, the living standard is different. People take breath, there is a nose, and people take breath, and air is there, they eat. Okay, this is the this is the earth lobe. Water lobe is where there is no air, means water has air, from there you have to take the oxygen, and then you have to survive like that. That is the patal lobe. So everyone has culture. Everywhere fighting happens. Everywhere battle is there. If someone sees the water land, ocean land, then among the fish and among the water creature there is a battle out there also. Land region, then everyone knows how much. If we go to sky region, Antariksh Lok, again there is battle out there also. Battle is everywhere. So we will talk more on it, external solar system. But this is up to here we talk. So we will talk. Amazingly interesting. I want someone can study about the water world also. There also would be amazing. It's not that much straightforward. We see whale is going and shark is going. It's not that much only. It is complete world. Anyway, we'll talk more on it.